YoWIE is an acronym that stands for Young Women in Engineering, and it's a program based in Canberra that is designed for young women from years 8 to 12 to explore what the world of engineering means and how it can be applied and how anyone can be a part of it. So this room is our location for the flight dynamics activity, which is led by Lily, who is a research associate in hypersonic testing. Well, we're given a runway, and the whole point is in pairs or groups of 3 to use the bits of wood and craft supplies behind me to make a fully functional plane that will take off with the rubber band runway and fly. I was already in year 11 when I did YoWIE last year. I wish I would have learned about earlier though. So I already had my subject chosen, but it's really nice to see people kind of changing their minds, thinking, I love physics, you know, I think I could give it a go, and just seeing that there are so many opportunities in engineering for women.